This video is going to show you how to use the number cards and counters. And this comes after the Montessori spindle box activity. So in this lesson, you have loose numerals 1 through 10, and you have exactly 55 counters, and they should be all the same size and all the same color. And the primary purpose of this lesson is to have the children match the loose numerals that are not attached with the loose quantities that are also not attached. But the secondary purpose after the lesson is to show them visually what even and odd is, and you'll be able to see that at the end of the lesson. Okay, so you would start by placing out the first number, and you could ask the child what that is. They'll most likely know, yes, that's 1. And you'll show them how to place one counter underneath, or it could be all the way over here. All right, what's that? Yes, that's 2. And the 2 counters are placed side by side. Can you put out the next card? Yes, that's 3. And we're going to place 3 counters like this. All right, how much is that? Yes, that says 4. Can you put 4 counters out, just like I did? All right, and then we'll keep going. Now, if the child catches on, you can allow them to continue on their own, but you want to make sure that they're following this pattern where the 2 counters are next to each other. You can even have them touching for a better visual. And then they can see. Now, you won't point it out in the lesson, but afterwards they'll see this pattern. Okay, and I'm going to stop there, but you would allow them to continue all the way up to 10. Now, the control of error in this lesson is that there are exactly 55 counters. So if a child runs out before they get to 10, they know they've counted wrong somewhere. Or if they get to 10 and they have some extra, that tells them, that clues them in that they also made a mistake if they were doing this independently. Okay, now once all of the cards and counters are out, you can point out that, oh look, do you notice this number 2, how they're touching? They have a match. But this number 3, this card doesn't have a match. When there's no match, we call that odd. The number 4, each counter also has a match. We call that even. Odd, and you could continue even. Odd, even. Okay? All right. And that is the end of the lesson for number cards and counters.